When you are in the San Francisco Bay Area, driving northbound on Highway 280, just north of 92, to your right-hand side you will see an orange house near the top of the hill. It sure doesn't look like any other house you've ever seen. It has been known by several names over the years, but its current iteration is the Flintstone house. It was built in 1976 by architect William Nicholson, using concrete and rebar formed over aeronautical balloons, which gives it the domed shape. It was allowed to fall into disrepair by the mid-'80s and was remodeled in the early 2000s. The house took on a new life in 2017 when it was bought by publishing mogul Florence Fang. She installed metal sculptures of a Stegosaurus and a T-Rex to protect the house from local Raccoonोsaurus and Coyote C-Rex. Large giraffes and woolly mammoths guard against marauding cavemen. In the front of the house is the hero himself, Fred Flintstone, pointing to a bright purple front door. There is an homage to Stonehenge and odd creatures everywhere you look. This did not please many of the neighbors, and in 2019, the town of Hillsborough filed a complaint saying the house was a public nuisance. Fang sued the city, saying it was her right to pursue her childhood fantasies. The suit was settled out of court, and the city paid Ms. Fang $125,000. You can park right in front of the house and watch the strange creatures going about their daily undertakings. Just be sure to respect the cavemen and women inside the house. As you walk by, there is a grove of mushrooms of all sizes and colors. And yes, every one of them is magical. Go ahead and subscribe. You know you want to.